Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device meets requirements. This avoids wasted installs. Once done, decide between the built-in recorder and a third-party app based on features you need. Make sure to install the app or enable the system tool now. Grant screen, microphone, and storage permissions when prompted so recordings capture both video and audio. If you use a store app, sign in briefly for updates. Proceed immediately to opening the recorder and locating the record control. Now you configure how recordings will look and sound. Choose the capture area, full screen, a specific window, or a custom region so your content stays focused. Next, pick frame rate and resolution. 30 FPS is standard, 60 FPS for smooth motion, and MP4 for broad compatibility. Then assign audio sources, system sound, mic, or both, and enable cursor, keystroke, or annotation overlays if you need them. Once these settings match your goals, assign a hotkey and begin with a short test recording and inspect the result. Confirm audio levels, video framing, and any overlays. Once satisfied, use consistent file names and folders. Export or compress to the desired format or quality for sharing. If you run into problems, no audio, choppy video, or no capture, check app permissions first, then restart the app or device. Make sure graphics drivers and the OS are updated. If that fails, switch to a different encoder or alternative app and repeat the quick test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.